The Enforcement Directorate has launched searches at 21 premises across Karnataka and Gujarat in connection with an alleged Karnataka Public Service Commission veterinary officers recruitment scam. The searches were carried out on August 18th as part of a money laundering investigation under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act or PMLA. Among the locations searched are the KPSC office in Bengaluru, the residence of suspended KPSC chairman Shivashankarappa S. Shahukar, and the premises of KPSC member Shanta Husmani. ED teams also searched locations linked to alleged middlemen, candidates selected as veterinary officers, and EduTest Solutions, the company responsible for digital evaluation of examination papers. The searches cover Bengaluru and several Karnataka districts, including Hassan, Chitradurga, Davangere, Raichur, Karwar, Kalaburgi, and Belgavi. Locations in Ahmedabad, Gujarat are also being searched. The action follows 4 FIRs registered by Bengaluru Police at the Vidhana Saudha Police Station over alleged irregularities in the final selection of veterinary officers. The allegations include demands for large bribes from candidates. Middlemen allegedly contacted candidates and sought between 70 lakh to 80 lakh rupees per candidate in exchange for selection.